welcome to FleshBirds. This is another itchy horror game. I'm gonna stop saying that because like all the horror games I get from are itchier. So let's jump right in. Ah! Oh, cutscene. Am I gonna have to read or am I all good? A shovel. Sorry, I moved my mouse off screen. I don't even know if you can see it. I'm stupid. What the frick? We're like KRYLL from Gears of War. What the frick? Oh my! Oh my gosh. A swarm of birds. Yeah, it's literally KRYLL. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh! So this is Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. But looks way more terrifying. If you saw a blood red sky like that, would you go outside? Oh hey, am I playing now? Yeah, I am. Oh my! I had no textured wall. Oh, I haven't run to the old church. I'm staying here. Okay, well. They say it's a hard job, but they had me sold with the good pay. A good paycheck in this field is hard to come by, and I'm lucky that my family have allowed me to travel this far. Of course, my wife wasn't happy, but I'm here. They say this forest stood for centuries. I was certain that plans had come together to work this place, but development must have fell through. I don't know. We don't start working till Monday. I've been enjoying being out here in the wild for once. Give me a break from the bloody rat race back at the city. Blueberries seem to grow all around the place. I had some for breakfast today. Bloody lovely. Such a shame they were here to take it all away, but a job is a job and I need to put food on the table. Okay. So, does the Gears of War rules apply and I need to stay in the light, or? The graphics are really cute. I like them. Ooh. Leave me up! Okay. The shovel. The dude's dead right over here. What? Oh gosh. Oh, am I gonna have to fight them? Oh no. Come at me, you bloody birds! Oh gosh. Can I take his leg? I don't know why I want to, but I want to. Ah! Piss off, birds! Oh! I killed him! Okay, so maybe they pop out the trees? Oh gosh! Go away! You naughty birds! Yeah! Ah! Stay back! Stay. Yeah! Yeah! My shovel broke! Ah! What do I do now? Oh, there's another shovel over there. Ow! Run, you nutcase! Run! I need the shovel! I'll take you out! Bow! Ah! Oh. Come at me, birds! Come at me! I'm not afraid of you! Oh my gosh, yes I am! Yeah! Yeah! Yo! Come on then! Bow! Oh, he hit me that one. Bow! 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 Yeah, yeah, bow! Oh my gosh, there's loads of them! Ah! Can I not run? Anything? Ah! I'm assuming this is health. Yes. Come at me, I got blueberries on my side. Yeah, that's bloody right, that is. So maybe we don't have to like want to pick a fight with all of them. Maybe we keep making distance. Back up! Ow, my bum! Please, please! Come at me! Oh, there's loads of them! No! Man, I don't want to be bird food. Right, we know what we're doing. No time for games. Piss off, bird! Get out of my way! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Okay, that is not the plan. Okay, I'm sure it's only like a period they spawn. So they gotta come out of this bush right here. Yeah. Right, keep my distance. They'll get me when they want. Yeah! Ah! Yeah! Don't hit me! Okay, bow! No, bow! Okay, I didn't get hit. Okay, so we take our time. Oh my goodness, you bloody birds! Get away! Back up! Back up! And you! Ah, he hit me that one. I don't know. Oh, okay. Whoa, there's loads of them. Okay, take your time, Bloody hell! Bloody you! Ah!
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh no, my shovel! Oh, go! Yeah! Ah! Ah! Oh! Ah! Come on in. Oh! No! Strafe. Use your legs. No! Ah! Oh, I made it. Oh, damn it. We were due to start excavating the site today before we were halted by a bunch of crazy ass hippies. Now I've had my fair share of protests at sites, as it ain't my first gig, but these people were different. They wore cloaks and stood around the cabins in a circle chanting some gibberish. It's not like we can do anything. No, it's not like they could do anything to us. They wouldn't dare lay a finger on me unless they want an employee to sue their asses. Anyway, I tried to get some sleep earlier and woke up to see that they had gone. I noticed a fair few birds are flying around up there. Hopefully the birds scared them off. Work must go ahead tomorrow regardless of if the people come back or not. The boss ain't gonna like this. I ain't gonna like this, so I freaking kill the birds out there. Oh! Please tell me I got a checkpoint. That really hurt my throat. Oh, I got a checkpoint.
There it is. I come to make peace with you. I will grow bread and give you seeds.
Oh, just grab a shovel. There we go. Alright, we must go onward. I must see my family again. Oh no, the shovel's not even on the path anymore. Yeah! Unhand me, you pesky swine! Yeah! Bow! Yeah! Bow! Bow! Oh, bow! Oh no, man! Oh, just joke, man! Ooh, parakeet! Ah! Go! Bloody wasn't joking, was I? Yeah! Come on! Oh, there's food. Oh yeah! Oh, there's one bloody flying up above me, man! Back up! I do want that. Oh, is this a bad idea? Gimme. Oh! Unhand me! Get away! Get away! Grab the shovel. We grab the shovel. I'm gonna pop your head in. I'm gonna wait. Oh! I just said there was a hole there. What the frick is that? Can I kill that? Stop doing that. You yucky. You are. Oh, there you are! Ah! Get in the bloody cabin! No! Oh, they took my goddamn arm. Oh, they're about to take your bloody... They're about to take all of you. Oh, look, a letter. It's been a couple days. I haven't slept a wink. Car. God's teeth, give me a break. This place creeps me out, man. Birds everywhere, trees everywhere. And yet, none of my co-workers in sight. I hope this is just some elaborate ruse from the boys. I really do. Oh, and those hippies I keep telling you, I keep seeing. I tell you, I don't think they were hippies, man. The birds, they follow them. I see it. I try to get out of here, but we're... Sorry? But we're deep into the forest, and our shipment with all our equipment is on it never arrived. I'd kill to be stuck in traffic back at home right now. Well, no, you got a bloody... You take some bloody birds! Oh my god! You mate! I got you! No! me my shovel! Back up! I ain't got time for you! I ain't got bloody time for you! No! I got a pocket full of sunshine. Oh my gosh! Oh, there's a shovel over there! Grab it! Grab it! I'm not afraid of you! I see Pringle cans bigger than you! Come on in. Bow! That's right, I'm gonna eat these because I want to. Yeah. So where do I go now? Did he get robbed? I just want to watch you get robbed again.
Bye-bye.
Ah!
Whee! Bye!
Oh my! That's what I bloody get for getting a man killed, isn't it? Oh, I missed it! Oh, cockatoo! Yeah! Where do I go now? Oh, that's what I heard.
Ew! Stop puking on me!
What the frick are those? What the frick are those? Are these brains? Brains on the trees? What are they? I don't want to go too close because they might
Bite me.
Oh my god! Oh, my brain out my freaking ass!
You naughty! You scared me.
What are these? They're like hairless. Oh, yummy. Oh my gosh, is that flavor?
I want to flame there, please! Thank you!
Yo! I dare some birds to come after me. I dare you! Cut it. Yeah, boy! Oh! Bye bye, birdies! We made it to the church. What the frick is that? Oh my gosh, all my friends were wearing the same jeans. Tut tut tut. What is that? Oh my gosh, have you guys ever played that game, The Visitor or something like that? I think it's called The Visitor. It's like that. Oh my gosh. Don't talk to me like that, it's really weird, yeah? Yeah! Ah! Yeah! You're going in the ground, but it's okay because I'll keep you in the ground. Ah! What smashed? Birds! Birds of a feather, we get burnt together. Yeah! No! No, I'm a circle. Coming in. Yeah! Beating boss is scarier than you. Yeah! I've hanged my foot out of the bed a couple times. I ain't afraid no scary people grabbing them. Yeah! Oh my gosh, that was loud. Okay, ready? Yeah! Me, I'm a circle again. I don't want to be a circle. Yeah! Okay, so no! Okay, so don't let him get too close. Oh my gosh, he's getting a bit too close for my comfort. Die! Yeah! Right, and then get around here. Yeah! Get burned! Get burned! Yeah! Yeah! You are one ugly mofo! Yeah! Oh, more birds? Really? Okay, wait for him to back up, wait for him to back up. Wait. There we go. Now! Die! Whoa! You're being too close to me! Ah! Oh gosh, he's burning. Did we get him? Yeah! Die! Yes!
That's what you get, you stinky boy.
Oh! Thank you for playing. Check out my Twitter to stay updated on my future projects. Yes! That was a pretty fun game. I am the bird killer. The bird killer. I will hunt any bird. Give me a flamethrower, a shovel. I love shovels. Thank you for watching. This has been... Oh! Perfect timing. Okay, that's stretching a lot. I don't remember it stretching that much. FleshBirds.
Nice.